We want to find how many two-digit numbers can be formed using these 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and repetition we are not allowing. So basically we want to find the arrangement of numbers, and therefore we will see how it is equal to the number which we are getting is equal to this formula only. Okay, so first place has 5 choices, so I will be placing one digit you from these 5 digits available. As repetition is not allowed, the digit which is placed in the first place we will not repeat it in the second place. So second place has only 4 choices, so answer is 20. So it is same as 5p2. What is the formula of NPR? What is NPR formula? N factorial upon n minus.
Upon n minus r factorial.
So what is 5 factorial? 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial. That is 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, which is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. So the answer is again 20. So it is arrangement of 2 numbers taken from 5 numbers. Okay? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we say that it is number of permutations. See how we are saying it. Number of permutations of how many objects? Of 5 objects. Total we have 5 objects available. Taken how many at a time? How many you are using at a time? Taken 2 at a time. Okay? Number of permutations of 5 objects taken 2 at a time, that is 5p2. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now let us see the basic definition of combinations, and then we will see the special cases for both. Oh my God. This doesn't move also. Now we'll see the combinations. Okay. So what do you mean by combinations? Permutations means arrangements. Combinations means
Unordered arrangement of an object.
it's not arrangement, it's selection. Okay. You select the things. Okay. That is unordered. The R combinations of n objects are simply unordered selections. The number of R combinations of n objects, of n distinct objects, is denoted by NCR or C n comma R, or like this also. Only you put the bracket and n above and R below. Okay. So now we use this. Okay, instead of using this NCR or this, we use this notation for combinations. NCR is equal to, yes, what is the formula of NCR?
R factorial into n minus R factorial.
Correct. It is n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So what is the relation between NPR and NCR? What is the relation between these two? NPR is equal to n factorial upon n minus R factorial. And NCR is equal to n factorial upon R factorial into n minus R factorial. So you have something in common, no, here. So if you divide NPR by R factorial, or if you multiply NCR by R factorial, R factorial into NCR, what you will have? You will have NPR, correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
And it is absolutely logical. See, mathematically also we have seen this, but when you want to arrange, you first have to select. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो आप उन्हें सिलेक्ट करोगे पहले. When you want to construct, or when you want to form 2-digit numbers from 5 digits, first you have to select those 2 digits from 5. पहले आपको वो 2 सिलेक्ट करने होंगे, and then those 2 you will arrange among themselves or between themselves. That means 2 factorial करोगे आप, 2 into 1, ऐसा होता है वो. Okay, so permutation is done using combination. First you have to select your R objects and then you arrange them. Okay, so please remember this thing. So these things you already have done, permutations and combinations, basic properties and all. We are not going to do all those basic properties, but you should know them, that NCR is equal to NCN minus R, right? You know this. Okay, now just now I told you that NPR is equal to R factorial into NCR. Then there is something more. NCR plus NC R minus 1, ऐसा कुछ है ना? Something like this you have. I don't remember this particular term. Okay. So these basic properties you have to understand, and you have to remember. Sometime you may need to use them in some problems. Okay. Now we will see special cases in permutations and combinations. So the first case is, it can be considered as a theorem. Okay. The number of R permutations, of an object with repetition allowed is n raised to R. Okay. So proof, you have n objects and you have a R place string. Okay. String कितने लेंथ की है? R permutations मतलब आपको R places वाली string बनानी है. There are R places available. 1, 2, 3 up to R. Okay. Are you getting it? You have how many objects? Girls, you have how many objects?
N objects.
And you have how many places? R places to fill in.
R.
And repetition is allowed. So first place can be filled in how many ways? How many choices are there for the first place?
Up to R.
No. There are how many objects? N
N
objects.
objects.
So first place में आप कितने objects, कितने choices है आपके पास? N choices. Yes or no?
Yes.
You have N objects and you have R places to fill in. तो first place के लिए N choices है मेरे पास. Now can I repeat the object which I used in the first place? Can I use that in the second place again?
Yes.
Because repetition is allowed. So I can use. So second place has how many choices now again?
N choices.
N choices. Third place also has N choices. And rth place also has N choices. Do you understand it? I will
Yes,
give you the
ma'am.
example. I will give you the example. Don't worry. So which principle you will use here? First place and second place and third place and fourth place.
Addition.
Multiplication principle. Okay. So write down after this. ये हो गया क्या लिख के?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसके आगे लिखो इसके आगे लिखो therefore by multiplication principle the total number of ways of filling are boxes using n objects with repetition is equal to n into n into n up to n. How many times? R times. So what is the answer? N raised to R. Okay. Rebecca, now you are joining the meeting. Rebecca.
No, ma'am, I have joined it earlier. By mistakenly, I left it right now. So again, I rejoined.
Okay. For example, now if you have 8 digits with you, okay, 8 digits. Say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. And 1. Okay. how many 5-digit numbers can be formed with repetition? Batao, how many? You want to form 5-digit numbers. How many digits are available?
8 digit.
8 digits. So suppose I am choosing number 3 here. So can I use the number 3 again in the second position?
Yes.
Yes.
Because repetition of digits is allowed. So each place has how many choices?
5. 8 choice.
8 choices. So total number of digits. So total number of 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers formed with repetition allowed is 8 raised to 5. तो इसमें सारे नंबर्स आ जाएंगे. इसमें ये भी नंबर आ जाएगा, इसमें ये भी आ जाएगा. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
All possibilities will be covered. Okay. So in the next lecture, that is on Saturday, na? In the next lecture, we will cover or we will see what are combinations.